Now, your weather on the threes.
Well, good morning to you. It is another warm and muggy start out there. Temperatures right now are in the mid 70s, and this is going to continue here for now. And winds are calm. Dew point at 73, though, is going to limit how much farther those temperatures can fall, though. So again, if you're heading out the door, you will definitely feel the air that you can wear. All the thunderstorm activity, matter of fact, is over the Gulf Stream right now, well offshore. Viper radar is mainly dry for the coastal empire and low country at this time. Getting out the door to walk the dog is definitely a must, and you need to do that early on in the day because temperatures are going to climb and it's going to be uncomfortable. And also 20% chance of rainfall beyond about 10 to 11 o'clock is in play as well, with showers and storms likely for the afternoon. So again, not the most comfortable morning by any means, but you got to get it out of the way because a cold front to our west, again, very slowly moving through the region, is going to help spark showers and thunderstorms. Plenty of moisture along the Gulf Coast is going to make its way into our area. That's what's going to be the rain chances for today. Again, rain starts to move in by the afternoon and evening, and some of these could be some heavy downpours. Now, it's been fairly dry recently, so not going to be running into flooding concerns unless you get rained on twice and an area that drains fairly poorly. But again, most of this works out of here by the evening hours, but another round of rain possible for Saturday. Most of the heavy rainfall is looking to be farther north of our area, but hit or miss showers and storms are possible. This is the case Saturday into Sunday as well, but again, not a washout for the weekend. Later on today, those are going to be a bit dicey. A real quick look in the tropics here at Humberto. Again, it is starting to look fairly menacing, but this is not what we need to be worried about. This system's going to stay offshore. 94L is a tropical wave we're tracking. Center is somewhere north of the Dominican Republic. Don't have an official center on that yet. This storm is going to eventually move northward, and that's what's the concerning part. It's developing near the Bahamas, getting steered by an upper level low that's going to be situated over the southeast. That's what puts our coast in the crosshairs of this potentially, so we need to keep an eye on this. Computer models are not going to initialize as well due to no defined center just yet, but this system is eventually going to make its way towards portions of the southeast coast, so we need to keep an eye on the forecast. Stay with Storm Team 3 for that, of course, but this system is going to be a concern for us here as we get into the beginning of next week. For today, again, afternoon storms develop. It's going to be a hot and humid one again, by the way. Heat index about 95 to 98. The storms do end early on tonight, but again, another warm and muggy one in the area. Our local waters will feature conditions that will be defined by storms, especially if you're offshore. So keep an eye to the sky. Southerly winds 5 to 10 knots develop. 2 to 3 foot seas are expected. Your extended forecast does bring, again, the tropics are in play next week, but we do need to look at today. Again, showers and storms likely this afternoon. Hit or miss showers and storms possible into this weekend, but we are keeping an eye on the tropics through the beginning of next week.